Hello. In this example, we will work with a standard case fill window. This window is a special window whose job is to fill available cases with the standard sizes with primary packages, either individually or as a shipment of packages. In this example, we will work with only one type of package. The first step is to open the window by New Data Sheet, Fill Standard Cases. We will see that in the foreground, we have a small window here where we have the information of the primary package. We can list the primary packages, and we also have the information of how to select the box. We can select the box, and we can also change the settings in terms of slack and the method for filling. In the background, we have our usual standard cases and pallets window in which we can enter new box dimensions or just use the ones that are already available. To use a box, we had to have the three dimensions available: the length, the width, and the height. We can add different classes of boxes for them to be selected. We go to the Fill Standard Cases window where we will use only one type of package. Okay? We can add a name to it, and we can add it. We could just put the default dimensions, we add the package, and we see it's here. Now we can select the different type of box. For example, let's just work with the default boxes and the default constraints in terms of slack. We calculate, and we see that we did not get any solution. So we add more slack. Instead of 2.5 centimeters, we'll add 20 centimeters, just to make sure that we obtain solutions. We calculate again. We see that we didn't get any. So let's look for a different type of box. We calculate, and now we got one. In this box, we can click on it. We see we have a volume efficiency of 91%, and we can look at the box contents. We see that it's a box with 16 items. This box can also be palletized. We can open the new data sheet, box on pallet. We can drag the box. We can see how many boxes will fit on the pallet. Tools, calculate, or in this case will be recalculate. And we see the amount of boxes. We can use detailed report to get a summary. And in this summary, we will see the contents of the box fill. We will also see the information of the primary package and a solution. Thank you.